ang Happy May ng Baguio. I am here at BSU ECDC, where contact cultural won't always practice. So, ang agenda natin ngayon here is to show you one of the Benguet dance which called Tayaw. So, according to our research, Tayaw is a popular dance among the Kibaloy tribe of Benguet. It is associated with a grand feast called Kanyao during the celebration of wedding, death anniversaries, curing rituals, and other festivals. That's all for today's vlog, and if you want to learn more about Benguet, please like, follow, and share our FB page, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Oh wait, there's more! If you want to watch the part 2, please click the link below. Bye!